I thought I'd make an introduction for myself. My name is Aqua Lumera, but you can call me Aqua, or Lumera, or just Lou. I'm an artist and a VTuber now, I guess. I never thought I'd actually, use this model that I made. I made it myself, and as you can tell, it's not very good. The rigging is kind of off, or it's just my camera. I can't tell. Um, my birthday is February 3rd. My pronouns are they, them. I don't have any lore yet. I'll make some in the future, probably, eventually. Yeah. Where am I from? The ocean. Um, what programs do I use? I use Krita to draw and Anochi Creator to rig. Uh, I'm 5'2", if people want to know how tall I am. I'm short. I know I'm short. Favorite food? Chicken. Favorite drink? Water. And sometimes soda. I like JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, and video games like Minecraft, Pokemon, Wuthering Waves, story games like God of War, Resident Evil 8. I didn't finish Resident Evil 4 remake yet. um, yeah, that's probably enough, you know? Okay, bye!